Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Tanaina local and long distance movers near me. Here in Tanaina, Alaska, 3 Movers offers high quality moving services and professional relocation. We care tirelessly for our customers. That's why we offer the same quality at very affordable rates. 3 Movers offers safe and efficient relocation services here in Tanaina, Alaska at a very affordable price. Long distance moving is a tedious process that usually exceeds a 100-mile traveling distance. We will take care of that for you. Our consumer trust is high and rising, which you can see for yourself on our website at any time. Transporting objects from one location to another within a less than 100-mile area is known as local movement. Because it only entails a short travel, this is a simple task that takes little time to do. All consumers in Tanaina, Alaska can benefit from 3 Movers low-cost relocation services. Services offered by 3 Movers. What we offer: residential moving, commercial and office moving, local moving, long-distance moving, international and overseas moving, military moving, auto transport, storage, packing and crating, furniture disassembly and reassembly, container moving, specialty moving, moving resources. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.